Welcome to this standalone tutorial, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence is fundamentally reshaping how we live, work, and innovate. This tutorial provides a practical, non-technical foundation to help you understand and navigate the rise of AI. Whether you want to understand the reality behind popular buzzwords, evaluate AI tools for your daily work, or lead AI initiatives within your business or organization, this guide provides clear, practical insights. In this tutorial, we will cut through the hype, examine the real economic value of AI, explore modern agentic AI systems, and establish what contemporary AI can and cannot achieve. Let's begin. Leading economic experts agree that AI is set to generate immense global value. According to comprehensive global economic research, AI is projected to contribute between 13 and 22 trillion US dollars in economic value annually over the coming decade. Of this value, approximately $3 to $4 trillion is projected to come from generative AI, tools that create high-quality text, images, code, and audio. However, the largest share of economic value will continue to come from core established AI technologies, such as supervised learning and predictive machine learning models. While AI already creates substantial value within software companies, research indicates that the vast majority of future impact lies across traditional non-software industries, including retail, travel, logistics, manufacturing, automotive, healthcare, and energy. Virtually every sector is being transformed. While bespoke, highly irregular tasks remain difficult to automate, standard processes and analytical workflows across every field are rapidly being augmented by AI. There is immense excitement, but also substantial confusion and hype around AI. A primary reason is the confusion between two very different concepts of artificial intelligence. The first concept is artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI. The overwhelming majority of AI value today comes from ANI. These are systems designed to perform specific single tasks with expert precision, such as voice assistance, autonomous vehicle vision, web search ranking, and industrial quality control. Second, the rise of generative AI has introduced more versatile general-purpose assistants. Modern models can act as copy editors, brainstorming partners, code reviewers, and research analyzers, expanding what professionals can achieve. The third concept is artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI refers to theoretical systems capable of performing any cognitive task the human can do, or even surpassing human intellect across all domains. While progress in narrow AI and generative AI is rapid, true AGI remains in early, exploratory stages and is likely decades away. The rapid advancements in narrow AI frequently lead to exaggerated claims of imminent superintelligence. In reality, modern AI tools are powerful specialized instruments, and there is no need for undue existential anxiety. A major breakthrough actively deployed in production today is Agentic AI, the transition from passive chatbots to autonomous, goal-driven agents. Unlike traditional generative AI that only responds to single prompts, Agentic AI pursues multi-step objectives autonomously through structured planning and task decomposition. Agentic systems use external tools such as APIs, web browsers, databases, and code execution environments to interact directly with the digital world. Crucially, AI agents feature memory and self-reflection. When encountering errors, an agent evaluates feedback, adapts its strategy, and corrects its approach without needing human intervention. In enterprise environments, multi-agent systems collaborate, with specialized agents handling planning, research, coding, and review to deliver complex end-to-end solutions. To make sound strategic decisions with AI, you must understand its technical pillars, capabilities, and boundaries. First, what is machine learning? Unlike traditional programming with explicit rules, machine learning algorithms discover patterns from examples and data to map inputs to outputs. Second, data is the fuel of AI. However, more data does not always mean better AI. High-value data is clean, well-labeled, and directly relevant to the problem you're solving, whereas noisy data can mislead models. Third, understanding what AI can and cannot do. Media stories often highlight only miraculous successes while omitting failures. Recognizing AI limitations, edge cases, and failure modes is essential for making realistic business judgments. Fourth, deep learning and neural networks. Inspired by biological brain structures, deep neural networks utilize multiple mathematical layers to automatically learn complex patterns, powering computer vision and natural language processing. Achieving practical success with AI requires mastering 4 core strategic dimensions. Dimension 1. Technical literacy. Building a realistic understanding of machine learning mechanisms, terminology, and capabilities without getting lost in mathematical complexity. Dimension 2. Project scoping and ROI. Evaluating technical feasibility, identifying clear business pain points, and selecting projects that create measurable value. Dimension 3. Organizational adoption. Developing internal capability, assembling cross-functional teams, managing clean data pipelines, and implementing proven transformation frameworks. Dimension 4. Ethics and governance. Mitigating algorithmic bias, ensuring data privacy and transparency, and guiding workforce transitions responsibly. Congratulations on completing this foundational tutorial on artificial intelligence. You now possess a clear, realistic framework for understanding AI technologies, evaluating autonomous agentic systems, assessing business opportunities, and cutting through market hype. Test your knowledge with the interactive quiz below, or explore the glossary to continue your journey into machine learning.